Hello children, good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 6 subject Social Science. So, lastly we have seen all the planets and we have remembered one thing, that my very excellent mother just served us noodles. Like that we have to remember all the planet according to their location. Now, meteor. So what is meteor? Sometimes it appears that star is falling from the sky at night. Actually, star do not fall. Some small pieces of stone or rocks toward earth because of gravitational force. So actually what meteors are? They are falling from the earth. Some dust is there which are falling. But what we see like that? Tutta Tara we have seen. In picture you have seen that person are trying wishing that Tutta Tara is there. So if we wish anything, our wish will be fulfilled. But actually it is not that. It is a myth. What the actual it is? It is a star which do not fall. Some pieces of stone or rock moving in the sky or small part of the planets are called meteors. These meteors are quickly drawn towards earth because of gravitational force. So if something is there, broken or any dust is there, due to gravitational force it directly goes toward the earth only. And if it is falling towards earth, shining is there. So we feel like that it is Tutta Tara, but actually it is not that. It is a stone or rock that are coming from the universe to the earth. As soon as it enters atmosphere, it gets ignited through the friction. So when it is coming from the universe and it touch with the atmosphere, it gets friction or ignited, means light will be there. So we will feel like that it is star. At this time a bright line is seen in the sky. So shining light is seen in the sky at that time, for which we say that star is falling. So like that we feel that it is star is falling, but actually star is not falling. Stone or rocks is there which are fallen from the universe to the earth. Why the light is there? Because if that stone or rock will connect with the atmosphere, it get ignited with the friction due to gravitational force. So we think like that it is a star, but it is actually not a star. Some of meteors which are not burnt fully cause huge cracks in the earth. So meteors are there. See, it is a big substance which we think like it is small, but it is a big. If it is fallen on something, some place, suppose a river is there, then it will become mountain. Like that it might affect to the earth. And if mountain is there, if it is fallen, then it will become river. Koyana lake of Maharashtra is believed to be composed due to the falling of such meteors. So if the meteors fall, this Koyana lake of Maharashtra, first it was not a lake, but due to the falling of meteors, it became the lake. So this is the first example. What I have said, like that if meteors is falling, so if mountain or some place will be there, it will convert it into lake, or lake is there, it will convert it into mountain, like that. So this is the example of first meteor fallen on the Maharashtra. Second, in Saurashtra near Dalja, a meteor had fallen which weighted 40 kg. So 40 kg meteor fallen on the Saurashtra near Dalja. So these are the scientific proven. You are thinking star, it is not a star. So let me show you the picture of the meteors. Children, this is the picture of meteors which is falling from the star. So it get ignited with this blue lines is there, no? So it is falling, it is a meteor. So you feel like that star is falling, but it is not star. Okay. Second picture is, see, this is the burning meteors which will cause very huge crack in the earth. So these all are the meteors of the universe. Okay. So you have seen or understood perfectly that what is meteors actually. Don't believe in that it is a first star, and if you wish, your wish will be fulfilled. This is only a myth. Okay. What the reality actually is a rock or small dust falling from the universe to the earth, and it will, if it is huge, then it will create much in the earth, which affected on the earth. Now let us see what is constellation. In a wider sense, any set of star or even a single star is called constellation. Set of star or single star means single star or set of star means one or more or two stars together is known as a constellation. In short, we can say that a group of star is known as a constellation. So remember this first paragraph line. This is the definition of constellation. So you should remember like that a group of star or a single star is known as a constellation. Some of the constellation have specific shape because of the mass of star. So all the constellation have same shape? No, it is not that. Different have different shape, or some maybe have same shape. It sometimes look like a goose and sometimes like an eagle. This both are the birds, goose and eagle. So sometimes the constellation are of goose type or sometimes like eagle. There are total 27 like constellation is there. Remember this point, total 27 constellation is there. Let's see some name. Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. So these are the name. Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion. Like that, these are the name. You have to remember all this name. So constellation, like we can say zodiac sign also. So these are the different types of nakshatra you can say. So this is the name we have studied. 2 or 3 constellations around the moon for which we have to look at the sky continuously remembering the names of the constellation. It is not easy. So 2 or 3 constellations are always around the moon, right? And it is not easy to remember all the names of the constellation. So just we have to remember like this. So which we have to do continuously in sky. Remembering the names of constellation, it is not easy, but they can be easily memorized by repeating, viewing and understanding. So in offline classes, those students are present, we have done this. You have to constantly speak this. Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Pushya, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati. Repeat with me. Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati. Third time repeat. Ashwini, Revati, Vishakha, Punarvasu, Orion, Rohini, Pushya, Arya, Swati, etc. So like this you continuously repeat it for 5 times. So maybe you know this, and up to you know all this name in line, you have to remember this. Some names are remembered as they are associated with the cases work, like at the time of Pushya constellation, gold and silver is purchased. So we have seen that nakshatra is there, at Pushya nakshatra, gold and silver is purchased. Ask your mother, she will be well knowing. Suppose one Hathido is also there. At that time, what? More rain is coming. So like this, all are the nakshatra. At which particular time this thing should be done. At which particular time this thing should be done. Like this, it is constellation. This is information about our solar family of solar system. You can still have to learn a lot about your home, that is Earth. So let's begin. So we'll begin, but today up to meteors and constellation, you remember the name, okay, of constellation. We keep our lecture up to here. In next we start location and shape of the Earth. Okay children, thank you.